what we do to drive sales and bring customers in, basically. First, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking pictures of all these cars right here so we can post them online. And it's going to be very simple, very quick, very clean, efficient way of doing things, you know? So what we need to do is first we need to find a good background, somewhere not too crowded, you know, so the main focus is the vehicle and not anything around it. So for example, we can choose a spot like that in between there, so it's just the car. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can back it up to right there. That way I can have the background as that and the vehicle right there, and take a couple pictures for my classified ads, you know, like Craigslist, cars for sale, cars.com, and so on and so on. So yeah, I'll show you right now. Check it out. So once we have positioned our car, here's a little trick that I like to do. I like to twist the wheel to the right. To me, it makes the vehicle look a little bit better, kind of like more advertisement, you know. So yeah, this is basically how we're gonna do it. And we're gonna start with the front passenger side. You want the vehicle to be facing to the right. Most of the time on your advertisement, you have the vehicle on the right, on the left side of the page, and the information on the right. So when the car's going that way, your eyes are naturally drawn to that way. And if you have the car going to the left side, your what's it called? Your competition is usually on the left side. So if the car points to the left side, you look over to the left, your competition is right there. So you don't want to do that. Always face the car to where the description of the vehicle is going. Alright, now we move to the inside. Of course, you gotta get to the inside. You gotta show this puppy off, you know? So, we're on the inside. Now remember, you turn the wheel all the way. I like to put it straight again. Okay. There we go. Put the wheel straight, turn the car off. Let's come out here and take pictures. So first angle with the door open. That's what people see first. Bam. Open the door. Get a full shot. 2. We need front driver, steering wheel. 3. And get a back seat shot. Make sure that you focus. There you go. 4. And then I like to sit back here and take a shot of the whole center console. I mean the whole dashboard and everything. Bam. All right. Yes, I know we need to fix the mirror. I know. Don't worry. I know that. Well, we're done with this car. She's ready to be posted. So, that being said, folks, that is my tip for today. So if you watched this far, shit, thank you so much. Hope you learned something. And then everything else is rinse, repeat. Do the same thing with every car. Blast it every way you want. Make your friends get tired of your ass. Make them unfollow you. That's what I do. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.